Ice flower plant, also known as Mesembryanthemum or Mesembryi plant, is a well-known winter flowering plant. It grows very beautiful flowers in abundance, and in this video we will see how you can start them at home, what is their season, what fertilizer do they like, how you can grow them correctly. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing for growing ice flower plants at home is their growing season. If you plant the seedlings in the right season, they will grow much faster and produce a lot of flowers. Ice flower plant is a seasonal flowering plant and prefers a cool environment to grow well. If the temperature in your area is below 25 degrees Celsius, you can easily plant ice flower seeds or seedlings, and they will continue growing as long as the temperature stays above 5 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal temperature range for these plants to grow. In cold climate regions where winter temperature drops below 5 degrees Celsius, you shouldn't grow ice flower plants in winters. Instead, they will grow really well if you plant them during summers. The ideal temperature range is very important, so follow this to grow ice flowers successfully. When the season is right, bring the seedlings home or grow seeds by yourself. Plant them separately and they will continue growing throughout the season. You will see lots of buds and flowers growing and blooming all around the season. Another important ice flower plant care tip is the soil media. Soil media is essential for better root growth. As the Mesembryi plant belongs to the succulent family, it doesn't have a very extensive root system. Still, if the soil is loose and well draining, it will help a lot. Even a little extra moisture in the soil can trigger fungal issues and stem rot. We shouldn't forget that this plant belongs to the succulent family and they hate excess moisture in the soil. So make sure your soil media is good enough and that the drainage holes are open. You can also make a cheap soil mix at home for such plants by following the description box video. One more important factor that plays an extremely important role in the healthy and fast growth of ice flower plants is the sunlight. Direct sunlight is very important for all flowering plants. If the plant is getting enough sunlight, it will produce more buds, stay strong, and bloom healthy flowers. Ice flower plant needs at least 2 to 4 hours of sunlight on daily basis. Less sunlight can affect the flowering of the plant. If your plant is placed in a low light area, you will see laggy growth and pale leaves. So make sure your plant is placed in a fully sunny area to enjoy consistent flowering, and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos. One thing you must follow to get consistent flowering on Mesembryi plant is fertilizing. Fertilizer is the food of the plant that it uses to produce more buds and flowers. Nutrient deficient soil can result into lesser flowering, and not only that, the plant may also produce smaller sized flowers. A good fertilizer is very important for every plant. Although the ice flower plant is a low to moderate feeder, you should still use a good fertilizer for healthy growth. I am using this homemade organic flowering fertilizer. You can find the video for this fertilizer in the description box. Use it every 2 weeks during the growing season. One secret tip that will give you a lot of flowers on Mesembryi plant is the deadheading and pinching. When your plants are young and growing fast, you can pinch off their growing tips to encourage bushier growth. We all know that more branches means stronger plants and more flowers in the future. In the same way, when your plant is blooming well and producing flowers on a daily basis, you must make sure the older flowers are removed. If you don't remove spent and dried flowers from your plants, they will start forming seeds, and the plant's energy will go into seeds formation instead of producing more buds and flowers. So whenever you see a spent flower on the plant, remove it immediately. That's all about ice flower plant care. Here is a detailed video on another winter's flowering plant, the marigold flower plant. Feel free to follow it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.